Buddy Will is doing the open the box. He has no idea what I ordered. Let's see if it tickles his fancy.
Ready?
Who is it made by? I can't even pronounce it.
I don't know. Oh, wow.
What is all this about? Is it metric, standard? What is it?
Both.
All right. So what's the smallest and what's the highest? From 9, 8, 10, don't lose the 10, all the way to 19. Are we skipping any numbers? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay.
Wow.
So let's take the 10. 10 is the most common. What are we doing with this? So we have to somehow slip it in there. Okay. There's a little lever that we can press.
Is that good?
That's what I'm thinking. Like, can it hold all that tension? Oh, it's on both sides. Sloppy.
Did you have to pull it away? Oh, here it is. I got it.
Now it's more solid?
Yeah.
All right.
So you just click these two,
Yep.
put it in,
Yep.
and then close that, and then lock it. Push it down.
Okay. So how's the micro?
We got a visitor.
Is that pretty micro?
Very.
All right.
Listen to it.
Got it. So the only thing is you have to use this tool, right? You can't extend to it. They just made it that size and that's all you got.
What are these?
It doesn't look like I can make this longer if I wanted to. Like they didn't make it so you can put it into a ratchet,
Mm-hmm.
which they could have.
Or maybe you can. Wait, what is this?